We are meant to share this world together like birds of a feather. This morn, to my delight, I saw her in flight. It was wet and cold, but she flew hard and bold. It was raining frost, and all the drivers seem lost. Her kind is rare, a powerful bird in the air. She chose to fly around the world right up until she feels too old. Intelligence is weird. It just appeared. Some creatures get a little bit of it too. And this is what they do. They try to understand the world, me, and you. They see the weather, and that we share the world together. They see the cities, the streets, and the poor, the leaders, and the immature. And they know social hierarchy, despising oligarchy. You may ask, what is the purpose of this magnificent task? What can a bird brain do? Well, it will shame you. The politicians that keep you poor, that demand you endure, in their ignorance and arrogance are using you to push the economy through. Animals have a way of seeing and of appreciating well-being. And she, for one, can feel in her lung that our species is still very young. Bringing warm weather to January makes us look cruel and scary. She knows humanity better than you think. She knows that we will take her to the brink. But she also knows that we too can rise. So as long as we each aim to become wise.